Today I will show you some more about the notepad. Today's session will be regarding, as yesterday I told you, regarding the difference between the save and save as. So let's open the notepad. Now I'm writing something. So I have written this is a test copy. Suppose I'm going to save. So clicking on file. I am clicking on save. As I saved it in the desktop option, I named it test1 and I clicked on save button. So this got saved. How is it possible? See in the desktop, this is test1. It is saved. Now suppose you have added something. Hi, this is Tamar. One thing is, in this situation, if you click on file and click on save, I didn't save click on anything, but if you click on save, the document gets updated. In the second case, if you this is a test copy, if you delete this particular thing and click on save, it is also get saved. But the fact is, here the information is updated, means that particular copy has been deleted, or else if I write something, it gets added. This is it. Again, if you delete close it from here, it will give you three options: save, don't save, cancel. Cancel means just to remove this particular pop-up. Don't save means don't save whether you have whatever you have changed, and save means yes, you can save it whatever you have changed. This is the thing. So suppose I am writing hi, this is test, and I am saving it, so it gets saved. I am closing it. See, it's come. Now what is save as? The save as is, suppose someone told you that he or she needs the same copy of the same content but with a different name, or here at the same place you keep a copy of the same file at the same place. So what you can do, you make a little change in name, test2, and click on save as, say save button. Now you minimize it. See, test2 is here. Again, if you want to save it at the same location desktop with the same name, it will say something else already exists, do you want to replace it? I said no. Now suppose I change the location slightly, and in the desktop there is a folder called Mamata. So I went inside it and then I saved it. So it will no more ask me that whether you want to replace it, as the location has been changed. Let's see whether file is present in Mamata or not. Yeah, this is the folder, and let it open and see, this is the file. I think yeah, test2 is there. So save means just saving a document with, or you can make an updation with adding or reducing the content. And save as, on the other hand, means that if you keep the original name of the original file, then change the location, or if you want to change, if you have changed the file name, then you can keep it in the same location. So this is all about the difference. We will in the next session we will come something else, some more thing of the notepad. Be with us. And my name is Tomal Dash. Call is 8420879158. Email is dastomal6@gmail.com. My website is prccomp.org.in, and website the name is prcomp. Be with us. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking my video. Thank you.